Hello, and welcome back to More on Maths. In today's video, we're covering question 9 from the AQA AS Mathematics 2021, Paper 1. Here we've got a 7-mark question, where we have to differentiate this equation here. We're told a, b and c are positive, and x is positive as well. We'll have to find the second derivative, but we don't need to find the coordinates of the turning point. And we're doing all of this to find out the nature of a turning point in the end. To start off, we need to get this equation ready to be differentiated. A over root x is the reciprocal of root x times by a. Root x is written as a half, and its reciprocal is negative. Plus bx squared is already in a nice format. And for the final part, c over x cubed, that's just for reciprocal, so it's plus cx to the negative 3. Now we can actually differentiate this. dy by dx is equal to negative a half ax to the negative 3 over 2. We've multiplied the coefficient a by the old power, and we've decreased the old power by 1. Minus a half, take away 1, is negative 3 over 2. Now we do a similar thing here, 2b x, technically to the 1. We've dropped the squared down, and we've times by 2. And then negative 3c x to the negative 4 times by negative 3. Subtracting 1 from the indice gets us that negative 4. Now if we differentiate again, we get the second derivative. Now we need to do negative a half times negative 3 over 2 ax, subtract 1 from that power again, get negative 5 over 2, plus 2b x to the 0, x to the 0 is 1, and negative 3 times by negative 4, x to the negative 5. Cleaning this up, a half times 3 over 2 is 3 over 4, ax to the negative 5 over 2, plus 2b, negative 3 times negative 4 makes 12, x to the negative 5. So now we've got this final second derivative. We just need to work out the nature of a turning point. We find the nature of a turning point by determining if a second derivative is greater than 0 or less than 0. At the start of the question, we were told a, b and c are positive, as well as x. And as we have no negative terms, this must be positive, along with this and this, because there's no possible way that any of these could turn out to be negative, making the whole thing negative. That means this whole thing is greater than 0, meaning that the stationary point is a minimum. So we've got the nature. We also have to fully justify our answer. So to make it clear for the examiner, we can just say a, b, c and x are all positive. Therefore, the second derivative is greater than 0 and is consequently a minimum. So as long as you practice your differentiation for 7 marks, this is a pretty good question. As we've only got a small amount of method, you just have to read the question carefully and spot that all a, b, c and x are positive. Feel free to check out the rest of the More on Maths channel, where we'll be posting similar walkthroughs in the future. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video. Thank you for watching.